Court of Justice ruled that the Poland's system of disciplining judges, which was created under the Law and Justice Party, has to be suspended because it is not compatible with the EU law. You may ask yourselves, what is actually wrong with this disciplinary chamber for judges? Well, according to the court, it fails to meet the necessary standards of independence and is open to political influence. Poland responded to that within hours. Its constitutional tribunal announced that the ruling of the court is incompatible with the Polish constitution and that Poland does not have to comply because the court cannot impose measures which concern the system of Polish courts. This particular ruling implies that in certain cases, the national law can take precedence over the EU law. But Poland can go even further. At the request of Prime Minister Mateusz Morawiecki, the Constitutional Tribunal will soon check if Poland's law has the primacy over the EU law. Both cases contradict the Treaty of Lisbon, which was ratified by all member states. Ironically, it was signed by President Lech Kaczyński of Law and Justice Party. Now, the same party, led by his twin brother Jarosław Kaczyński, is challenging the basic principles of the treaty. By doing so, the country does not comply with the Copenhagen criteria, which were a prerequisite of the EU accession. So Poland is in the club, but refuses to abide by the rules. If the issue remains unresolved, it may pave the way to other countries, which are also conflicted with the EU, to follow the suit and further threaten the European integration. We may ask ourselves a question that if the conservative government in Poland wants to carry out necessary judiciary reforms in a transparent way and with the respect for the separation of powers, then does it really have to resort to undermining the principles that the EU is based on? The EU's strength lies in its open dialogue at the European level. The unnecessary confrontations can be replaced by a dialogue and consensus. But the question remains if this is what the law and justice government really aims at.